Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Today, we're diving into the difference between TikTok Shop and TikTok Affiliate in 2025 so you can decide which one fits your best. TikTok Shop is perfect if you want to sell your own products directly on TikTok. You get to create your own stores, list your items, and handle everything from inventory to shipping. It's a great way to build your brand and reach TikTok's huge audience. But keep in mind, you will be managing the logistics and dealing with customer service yourself. On the other hand, TikTok Affiliate. TikTok Affiliate is made for creators who want to earn commission by promoting products without the hassle of managing stock or shipments. You just pick your products to promote, share affiliate links in your videos or streams, and earn money from the sales made through your link. The catch? Your earnings depend on how well you can drive sales and engaging your followers. So, if you have products to sell and want full control, TikTok Shop is your go to. But if you are a creator wanting to monetize by sharing products, TikTok Affiliate makes your more sense. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear and simpler guides. Catch you in the next video.